Hey y'all, it's Bear. Look here, it's Tuesday and it's time to cook. Do a little canteen cup cooking, but today I want to go down the backpacker road and we're going to do a little freezer bag cooking. And normally I'd build my dehydrated meal in this and pour my water into it and put it in a reflectix koozie. Insert photo now. But it didn't make it to camp. So I happen to have a cooler. We'll throw it in there, let it rehydrate. Hopefully we'll get the same effect. Anyhow, if you don't know what the reflectix koozies are, I'll put a link in my description below to my video where I talk about making them. So what I thought I would do today is make a vegetable rice. So I've got the Uncle Ben's Parmesan and butter flavor infusion rice we talked about. I've got sun-dried tomatoes, parsley, the Harmony House Italian vegetable soup mix. I've got basil, oregano, garlic, chicken bouillon, salt and pepper, and a little feta cheese to top it off with when it's all said and done. Now, if it's too warm or you don't want to carry the feta cheese because it's got the water weight to it, you could get some of those Parmesan cheese packets from one of the pizza shops. So let's build a meal. Let's see here. I want a half a cup of this rice. And one of the nice things about building a meal is you can kind of control what you're putting in it. You can control your flavors, your sodium, your vitamins and minerals that are going in it. So as a base, I got a half a cup of this rice in there. And we're gonna get like a quarter plus whatever I spilled of the Harmony House Italian vegetable soup mix in there. I want 1 bouillon cube. And you could use beef, chicken, vegetable, whatever you like. Today I'm using chicken because it was in my cabinet. 1 chicken bouillon cube. And we need basil. Oh, I don't know, about that much. We need some oregano. About like so. Garlic powder. Oh yeah, we'll get some of that in there. We'll do a little parsley now. And I'm going to save the parsley out because we're going to top with it when we're done. Just a little bit of salt because that bouillon cube is going to have plenty of salt for us. A little black pepper to give her some bite. Now these sun-dried tomatoes, I'm going to take about 4 halves, build a little sun-dried tomato stack and julienne them up. Julienne cut is a fancy term for a thin strip. Alright, so julienne tomato. Alright, and just like that, you just created your very own freeze-dried backpacking meal. Now, I need double the water for that rice, and I'm going to use the same amount of water for the vegetables as what they were. So that means I need 1.25 cups, which is 10 ounces. And if I'm backpacking, I might be carrying one of these nice little Nalgene bottles that has measurements on its side. So let's see where I'm at. 32 ounces, so I want to take it down to 22 ounces. And instead of our GI canteen cup, we're going to use this nesting cup. This is the Ozark Trail cup, stainless steel cup, and your Nalgene nests right in that guy. Just like the GI stuff, just for us civilians. Alright, that is just about 10 ounces of water. We're going to break out the pocket rocket today for a quick boil, because that's what we're going to do backpacking. We're not going to fuss around with doing this on a fire. It takes too long. It uses a lot of energy from us and a lot of fuel, and depending on what you're heating, you might not even bring this to a full boil. It's about 50 degrees out today. We got us a little wind. There's a simmer. All right, y'all, we are full on rolling boil. I'm gonna give everything everything a little mix here. All right, we'll come back in like 25 minutes and we'll pour it out and eat. There's lunch, y'all. And you know, if you're backpacking, you just jump right in there and eat that guy. How about just a little more dry parsley? Oh, the wind's getting me. And we'll get some of that feta cheese. Haha, man, that's a good camp meal there, y'all. Yeah, look at that bite. Oh man, it's good stuff. Oh yeah. Whew. Man, y'all, that's good. That is some simple freezer bag cooking for you there on the trail, okay? Y'all don't have to spend a lot of money, and we'll see you on the trail.